rock stars go on tour together. And if you're looking to get in front of bigger audiences, then you need to consider scaling your business by leveraging affiliates and joint ventures. Here's the thing, you're trying to get in front of an audience, an ideal audience, and there are other people that are trying to get in front of similar audiences. Birds of a feather flock together. Might as well collaborate with other people who already have an audience and create a win-win opportunity. That's joint venture. And you can offer them a referral fee or an affiliate commission if they get you in front of an audience and that leads to a sale. It creates a win-win-win. You're getting in front of an audience, potentially getting new business. The person who helped you get in front of that audience is getting the referral commission, and the audience is getting the value that you provide. Win-win-win. Why not? And this is a way you can be strategic. You can maximize your time and energy because you're going to not have to go to a cold audience. You can connect with warm audiences. In this video, we're going to be talking about some of the mistakes that happen when coming into affiliates and joint ventures and how to avoid them.
Welcome to Growth Amplifiers, where we showcase the best tips, resources, and tools to amplify and scale your business.
So I'm a huge fan of doing affiliate and joint venture opportunities. I've loved them since I got started in my business, and I'm an advocate for them. That's one of the reasons we started the Growth Amplifier podcast, is to connect with other business coaches and business advisors who offer different knowledge and expertise to their audience. And a lot of the times we're trying to connect with CFOs, CPAs, bookkeepers, accountants, tax planners, profit advisors, people of that space, because they're trying to help their clients become more successful and more profitable by helping them decrease their expenses or the amount that they pay on their taxes, or just improve their financial foundations. So as marketing and sales optimization specialists, Growth Amplifiers is trying to help those we serve increase their cash flow, their revenue, their profitability, so that they can enjoy the benefits of being the business owner, except for we just play a different instrument. So if we connect with other people that are on a similar mission but play a different instrument, then that is a synergistic relationship. And so we love to connect with other business advisors who are looking to make that difference and find a way to cultivate synergy. Now, we have affiliate programs ourselves. We also can do joint venture events and workshops. We want to create that win-win-win. That's really what we're loving to do. It creates variety for us. It helps us connect with others that share similar values, and it's just a fun experience overall. So let's talk about some of the mistakes that you can make when it comes to affiliates and joint ventures. Number one is not having a clear focus. You could just jump into joint venture relationships, affiliate relationships. There's all sorts of them out there, but if you don't have a focus, if you don't know what your plan is, if you don't know what you're going after, you can spend a lot of time doing a lot of things and not quite hitting the result. So you want to make sure that you have a clearly defined goal. What are you trying to achieve? And what is the win-win-win you're trying to create? What do you want out of that opportunity? What value will you bring the affiliate or joint venture? What is the value that you're going to bring to their audience? You want to think about what those goals are, write them down. So if you're going to approach someone with your affiliate deal, people will know what the benefits are. And if you're going to jump in on someone else's affiliate deal, you'll want to know that as well. So define a clear goal so that you're not just doing things, you're being very focused to move forward goals that you've determined to be really important. Number two is that those affiliate and joint ventures are not aligned. There may be people that have a great way to get in front of an audience, but if it's not your ideal customer, if it's not your ideal audience, then it can be a distraction. Sometimes it's tempting. There's a lot of people that will charge you money to get in front of an audience, but if that audience isn't going to be full of your ideal customers, then it may not be really worth the time and effort. We made a mistake early on by doing some affiliate joint venture relationships with people that were great people, but they didn't have an audience to present to. That didn't work out very well at all. So when we first got started, we had to learn the hard way that if you're going to want to say, hey, let's partner up and put on this event, you need to make sure that you have an audience to present to. If your person that you're working a joint venture with doesn't have an audience, and you really don't have an audience that hasn't heard your message, then it's really not going to be that much of a benefit. However, if you find an influencer or a group leader or an association or an organization that has a group full of your audience, and you say, hey, look, I've got a workshop, I've got a presentation, I've got something of value that would be great for your audience. Here's how they're going to benefit. And you can say, hey, look, I'm going to present this off. This content is going to provide a lot of value to them. And, if people can come visit my website, and we'll have something that they could purchase if they want to take the next step on their journey. If they do that, here's what you get out of that. So you want to make sure that if you're going to be working with a group organizer or an influencer, that you're creating something that's going to be really beneficial for their audience, so that you're making them look good and you're wanting it to connect back to you in some way, so that it comes back to you and earns you opportunities. So really making sure that there's alignment. And when you think ahead, you plan ahead, and you know who you're trying to connect with, you can create a campaign to more influencers, group leaders, association directors. And rather than trying to go to cold audiences, you can put time and attention to the people that have the audiences and create that win-win-win. Here's how we're all going to benefit. This has been a really great strategy for us at Growth Amplifiers. It's powerful, and if you systemize it, it doesn't need to take a lot of time to make sure that you're getting things working, because you create the process once, and then it's just finding the people to execute it with. And if there are people out there that have an affiliate program that would benefit your audience, and you can connect the two and create a win-win-win, that's another way to earn easy money. For example, Growth Amplifiers has an affiliate program that we can present a marketing free webinar that would be beneficial for those who attend. And in the webinar, we share that we have a workshop that will help people optimize their customer value journey that has a price to it. If they want to attend, then they can choose to do so. And if they do, our affiliates get paid. That's passive income. We provide all the marketing, and our affiliates simply just need to help share the message. They do that, and it's easy money. And that creates a win-win-win. The referral gets paid, we get the opportunity to gain business, and the audience gets the transformation from the workshop. So everyone wins in those opportunities. Last but not least, the third mistake is not enough focus to launch. And I've made this mistake probably a few times. And this is just by thinking, well, if I have this affiliate and give them the instructions or the resources, they're just going to do the things I ask them to do. Well, that's typically not how it works. I know a lot of event promoters will see that's a challenge. But you gotta need to make sure that you have enough focus to launch this affiliate plan and make it work. It needs to be finding joint ventures and affiliates that are on the same page, that are aligned, that are committed to taking the actions, and they're devoting the time to actually take the actions to make it successful. Whether it's someone promoting your deals or you're promoting someone else's deals, you gotta take the time to get it off the ground. If you don't communicate it, if you don't promote it, then it's not gonna work. So needs to have enough focus to launch. You gotta devote the time for it to succeed. Now, it might be, well, this will take some more time, but because if you put the time and effort to find just a few people that have your ideal audience already warmed up, already with trust, and you can get in front of that audience and share the value that you provide, you can knock it out the park with very little effort. So it's really strategic. It's way more impactful, and it just takes the time to get it aligned in the first place. That's the thing we love to do at Growth Amplifiers, is helping people really get those goals clear, create the strategy to make it work, and then create the system so that they can repeat it again and again and again. Here's a few examples. We have, Growth Amplifier has an affiliate program. If you share some of our programs, we have workshops that we talk about marketing, we talk about sales, we talk about branding, we talk about different ways that you can increase your profits through marketing and sales optimization. And you can share our programs with your audience. You can get an affiliate link. And if those people want to elevate and invest in a workshop or other products or services, then you get paid simply for sharing that initial presentation. We don't do any hard pushes on anyone. It's simply just sharing, hey, here's some things that you might want to consider doing. And if they want to do them, let them do them. Win, win, win. Here's another example. This is positive intelligence. So I learned about positive intelligence while taking a managerial advisory class. And that was all about how you can achieve peak performance by strengthening your mental fitness. So if you have a team or if you're a leader, you want to make sure that you're reducing the stress and anxiety, getting more focus and clarity. So we hosted an event on mental fitness and we shared this with our clients. We said, hey, look, clients, we have an event that you can share with your audience. And we think this will help you generate some leads. And if people end up going through the positive intelligence program, you can also get a referral fee as well. It's win, win, win. So these are just a couple examples. If you haven't experimented with affiliates or joint ventures, take some time to do that. Creating the system once and integrating it can have a huge payoff. You only have so much time, so if you're only trading time for money, you're going to be limited on the impact that you could provide. Take new actions to get new results, and that's how you amplify. Oh, bonus, there's one more. So this is Michael McCormick. He was on Growth Amplifiers podcast. We put him in the Growth Amplifiers magazine. We've been working with Michael McCormick for a while. He's a CPA and a financial advisor, and realized that, hey, his audience could use a cool experience to help them see some of the gaps and some of the things that they could do to improve their business and their profitability. And so we did a joint venture where we facilitated a mastermind event to provide more transformation to his clients. That led to opportunities where his clients were growing. His business owners started to see how he could provide more services to them. It created a win-win-win. Michael got more visibility and elevated his perception to his clients. We got visibility and provided more value to those that were attended. So win-win-win. Think of how you could take win-win-win opportunities. If you have cool ideas that you'd like to share, put them in the comments. We'd love to see them.
To show your support, take a moment to amplify this message by sharing it online. To connect with me or gain more business growth insights, visit www.growthamplifiers.com. Thank you for your support.